The intro. Hey guys, what's up? Back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about
Put your head there.
a typewriter.
They can't see it, all they can see is paper.
A typewriter.
Yeah,
but it doesn't
I
work.
bought.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It's vintage. It slightly works.
We can
but-
prove it doesn't work. Look. Yeah, wait, guys. Look. Probably can't see it. Move the paper up. Move the paper up.
Look, it does that. Yeah, so basically, we guys are asking, do you know anywhere that can do 50s Lilliput metal kids typewriters? Repairs, Nissan Ives cams. If there is, please leave it on the comments and their postcode, and we can get it fixed. Because, okay, if you look, the ribbon, if I do it, it's not going to move up. It should be moving up.
Yeah, it was when we first got it. Our dad was trying to make it so it moved up for capitals.
Me and my brother.
Yeah, we did this.
We lifted it up and I tightened it. So, oh God, how did it get getting so loose? Wait, is that tightening it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's loosening it. Oh, no, that is tightening it. Okay, look there.
There.
Okay, that maybe. Alright, see, it didn't do anything. We're not.
That's moving up.
Yeah, see, I need to add some more ink to this.
Ink poisoning! Ink poisoning!
It's from the 50s. It probably contains lead. We should probably go wash our hands. You keep filming that. Go wash your hands.
Guys, what should we do?
I'm joking. This ribbon is.
I definitely didn't just say, guys, what we should do in a weird face. She's got McCheese. Just
Yeah.
to say, she's got McCheese is now a meme.
So just to say, I lied to you. It doesn't contain lead.
Look.
What is this?
What is that, man?
Oh, that's beautiful. Can you keep holding this, please? Yeah, just kidding, Joe. This ribbon is from 2017. But yeah, we got it like this year, but I guess maybe you're wondering, hey, why haven't you told us this? Because I literally got it like a week ago. It worked perfectly fine.
Yeah.
I'll go and try to find one of the pieces of paper. It worked like perfectly and it was sleek and
Well, I'm
beautiful.
going to try and write D. You won't be able to see it.
Okay, let me do it. Let me do it.
Look, you won't be able to see it. You have to try to write something else.
I wrote there.
Write something
Look,
else and you have to try and
It
guess
says
what.
ID.
It's all in capitals.
That's why. So, oh my God, it's not gonna move.
You put them back and then do that.
Yeah. Even though Joel, what you do? Yes.
Even though that they're all capitals.
Just to say, P does not work.
Yeah, P goes up and then
just.
stays there. While
I'm
you move it.
thinking. Hang on, it's got caught. I think someone's got caught in the list.
It's there. Goes around like that. And then
Yeah, I think it's. Yeah, look, it gets stuck.
yeah.
Like it should be. No, in a bit of that, but then I can show you with. I don't know which one this is.
F is there.
I'll show you with, like, say, yeah, V.
V.
This goes up.
Up.
It's
But
right in the middle.
P.
So. Then, okay,
How do you do this? How do you?
put it back up.
The P.
It hates us.
No, P. It doesn't.
But then, when we do it on capital, it works a bit better. But then it just. I need to.
It doesn't even
Basically,
work.
I can just do this. Right, it usually works. Basically, if I just get the P. Nice meeting you.
Look, this is there was a bit with a bit of ink right there, guys.
I mean, that works
You can't
very
even
well.
see any other writing apart from that.
Now it's not even going to work at all.
Trust us,
Hang on.
guys.
There we go.
Oh god, half the screen went black there.
That's not bad. Yeah, just to say, this
Sorry,
typewriter is from the 50s in perfect condition.
Guys, did you hear that?
Look at this box.
Did you hear that, guys?
That's like a massive rumble.
Massive grumble.
I wonder what that was.
Someone must have been very angry at Fortnite.
Probably. Maybe it's from like China, and then we heard it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's see if it can survive the test.
Don't listen to my brother.
Let's see if it can survive the test. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, it costs us about £20.
It cost me £30, 10 plus £10.50 for the damn delivery. That made it cost
Nearly
£30.50, and I'm like,
what?
and I'm like, it said £20 at the most.
Yeah, and whenever you download the website, it always says free delivery, but whenever you get it, pay for your delivery.
Okay, just to say, this thing weighs like 20 kilograms. At
Let
least
me try.
15 kilograms. 15 kilograms at the most.
Guys, we can even prove, not like, even both of us can't even lift it one-handed. And we're quite strong. Trust us.
I am. Do you run this a weakling baby?
Oh.
Are you sure about that? Guys, look at me. I can do it with one hand.
Oh, woo! Guys, do
Guys.
not do that with your typewriter.
I'm in pain.
Do not
Can you
do
put it up? Can you put it up? And then you can. My arm's sort of stuck under this.
Let me help you, brother.
There you go. Yeah, look, you see, this is the case. It should have a key. It should have a key.
I just eaten it.
But the stupid owner forgot to give us the key. I can't lock my typewriter. But look at this case. It's so. I'll put it out the case. Look at this case. It's so.
It looks so sexy.
So sleek and
so
beautiful.
Sexy. Look underneath. There's 3 holes.
3. No, there's only 1 hole.
There's 1 hole, but 2 thingies.
Wait, let's see if we can see through it.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah, we can. Can you see my face? Can you see my eye?
Get my brother.
You hit my eye. It hurts.
I touched it. I touched its eyebrows. You guys are our family. I am your family.
Yeah, shout out to Kobe Carey. Shout out to the vlog. Shout out to Sonic Tuber. Shout out to Joe Hartle.
That's me.
AKA my brother, he just started YouTube. It's got like
I didn't just watch it.
How many
We can't do videos on it.
how many subscribers do you have? 0.
Because I've got no videos.
I have. Yes, you do. We've got 2 videos.
No, they're just between me and people they send them to.
No, they're not. Do mine go worldwide?
Yeah, mine don't.
They hardly ever get watched. So please, people, if you're watching this, get your friends to watch my videos, because now we're gonna do videos daily. Oh no, my mom's getting angry.
No, don't get angry with my mama.
Okay, now let's put this back in here now.
Why?
Okay, let's end the video.
Boy.